Hi there! Let's learn the final together in this class. Open your mouth widely and keep your tongue down. Let's try some of the words with the final. 阿姨，阿姨，辣椒，辣椒。That's all for the final. Let's learn the final. Round your mouth and keep a small shape. Let's try some of the words with the final. 多少，多少。我们，我们。That's all for the final. Let's learn the final. When you pronounce the final, make your mouth flat, then lower your tongue and keep it backward. Let's try some of the words with the final. 天鹅，天鹅。口渴，口渴。That's all for the final. Did you get